Imagine a world where robots build themselves. Sounds like science fiction. It's closer than you think. Apptronik, an Austin-based robotics company, has partnered with Jabil, a leader in manufacturing and supply chain solutions, to pilot their humanoid robot, Apollo, in real-world factory settings. This collaboration aims to test Apollo's capabilities in performing repetitive tasks such as sorting and transporting parts. If successful, Jabil plans to manufacture Apollo robots in its own facilities, potentially leading to a scenario where robots assist in building themselves. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to stay updated on the latest in robotics innovation. This isn't Apptronik's first venture into industrial settings. In March 2024, they initiated a pilot program with Mercedes-Benz, deploying Apollo on the automotive manufacturer's assembly lines. While that partnership is ongoing, it hasn't yet moved beyond the pilot phase. The recent collaboration with Jabil marks a significant step towards scaling Apollo's production and integration into manufacturing processes. Apptronik's journey began over a decade ago as a spin-off from the University of Texas, contributing to projects like NASA's Valkyrie robot. Recently, they've secured a $350 million Series A funding round with investors including Google to enhance Apollo's development. Additionally, a partnership with Google DeepMind aims to integrate advanced AI capabilities into their humanoid systems. The concept of humanoid robots building themselves is no longer confined to science fiction. With companies like Apptronik leading the charge, the future of manufacturing is set to be revolutionized by these autonomous machines. For more insights into the evolving world of robotics, check out the related video in the corner.